Here is an example. Here he's asking about find the H parameters. So all you need to know these two equations, which v1 equal to h11 i1 plus h12 v2, i2 equal to h21 i1 plus h22 v2. As usual, we always take this as v1 and i1 and this as i2 and v2. Now what is h11? Basically you can find h11 and h21 both by using the same circuit. H11 equal to v1 over i1 when v2 equal to 0, and h21 is equal to i2 over i1 when v2 equal to 0. So both cases v2 equal to 0, v2 0 means we have to short circuit that. Okay, so I'm going to short circuit this when I say v2 equal to 0. Now from this circuit, once I short circuit that, can I say this 5 ohm parallel with the short circuit? So here 5 parallel with 0, so we'll end up with 0 ohm. So my circuit is going to be look like this. Okay, still here is my i2, i1 and v1. So this is 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Okay, now I mean there are only two resistors in the circuit. Can I say those two are in parallel? So I can say 2 parallel with the 3, that value is 6 over 5, which is 1.2 ohm. Now can I say v1 equal to 1.2 ohm times i1? So h11 equal to v1 over i1, which is you will end up with 1.2 ohm. This is my h11. Now h21, I can use the same circuit. I know i2 is current flowing in this direction into 3 ohm. Can I say i1 is coming here? I1 is going to divide, say, let me take this as iy and ix. Can I find iy by using current division rule? Iy equal to total current multiplied by opposite resistance over total resistance. And can I say iy is same as negative i2? So if I replace iy with negative i2, so i2 equal to negative i1 times 2 over 5. Here h21 equal to i2 over i1, which equal to minus 2 over 5. Okay, that is h21. Here there is no unit for h21. So far all the parameters we learned, which is impedance and admittance parameters, they have units. One is ohm impedance, admittance is Simon. Okay, here h parameters, not every parameter is going to have unit. Here i2 is an ampere, i1 is also ampere, so there is no unit for h21. Now we'll find the next two parameters. So we'll find next two parameters. The next two parameters, I'm going to find h22 first. h22 equal to i2 over v2 when i1 equal to 0, and h12 equal to v1 over v2 when i1 equal to 0. Okay, so those are the two parameters. So since i1 equal to 0, I am not going to, it's an open circuit, so I'm going to keep the circuit as it is. I'm going to read as the circuit. This is the circuit we have. This is 5 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Here is my i1, i2, plus and minus v1, plus and minus v2. Okay, now my goal is finding H22, I2 over V2. So all I need to come up with the equation relation between V1, V2 and I2. Now since I1 equal to 0, okay, whatever current comes here, it's going to split. Let me choose a different color. So I2 is going to come, let me say this is Ix and Iy. Since the current is 0, this must be Ix. So can I say 3 and 2, these two are in series, okay, and these two series combination is parallel with 5. So basically 3 plus 2 parallel with 5 will end up with 2.5 ohms. Okay, so can I say V2 equal to, so when I draw the circuit, that circuit is going to be something like this. Here is my I2, V2 and 2.5 ohm. So V2 equal to 2.5 times I2. So H22 is nothing but I2 over V2. I can write this as 1 over 2.5 Simon. That's our H22. Now finding H12, goal is finding H12, which is V1 over V2. Now V1 and V2, they're both of them are voltages, so no unit for H12 either. So can I say from this circuit V1 equal to, I'm going to say from the circuit V1 equal to 2Ix, okay, and I'm going to say V2 equal to, from this, I mean after simplifying it, V2 equal to 2.5 I1. Okay, now I need to come up with a relation between Ix and I1, so that way I can cancel them. So based on this circuit, I can use the current division rule. By using current division rule, okay, by using current division rule, Ix equal to total current I2 multiplied by opposite over total, 5 plus 5, so it's basically Ix is nothing but I2 over 2. So can I say I'm going to substitute this Ix value in here. So V1 equal to 2I2 over 2 get cancelled, that's I2. So H12, can I write this as I2 divided by 2.5 I1? These two get cancelled out, so 1 over 2.5. H12 equal to 1 over 2.5. So here the H parameters I have H11, H12, H21, H22. Okay, I have H12 is 1 over 2.5, which is nothing but 0.4. There are no units, that's 0.4. H22 is 1 over 2.5, that must be 0.42, but this one has unit, Simon. And H21 minus 2 over 5 is minus 1 over 2.5, which is also negative 0.4. So this value is negative 0.4, no unit for that. And H11, I have 1.2 ohm. Okay, those are the H parameters. So now if you look into the previous notes, if H12 equal to negative H21, in this case it's the same, so it is a reciprocal network. Okay, even though it's a reciprocal network, there is no way we can represent them with either T model or pi model, but we can write it down, the equivalent circuit here. The equivalent circuit is H11, H12 V2, that's a voltage dependent voltage source, H21 I1 and H22. Okay, this is an equivalent circuit, so I have I1, V1 V2 I2. So H22 is 0.4 Simon, and H12 V2, I know H12 is nothing but 0.4 V2, and H21 I1 is negative 0.4 I1. This is the hybrid equivalent circuit. Thank you.